What's up, guys? Welcome back to the channel. D-Max Pierce here, coming back at you with another video. So today we're doing another install on a part that's much needed in my truck. Let me flip the camera around and show you what I got. Okay, so today on the Duramax, we are installing something much needed in my opinion. LED headlight bulbs for my 2015 GMC 1-ton Duramax. These are bulb size 9012 for anybody that needs them. They're 6000K LED high beams and low beams. That's just how they are on these years. So let me show you the halogen factory bulbs. They're kind of more yellow than I like, and they're very dim at night, so I want to get a lot brighter, and I also like the look of the LED style bulbs. I've had them on all of my vehicles and they've been very good to me. So we're gonna go ahead, take out the old bulbs, shove these ones in, and kind of show you the process that's required for that. My truck's a lot easier than my 2012 I had, but I'll show you how it goes and we'll go from there. To get started, go ahead and pop your hood. So you'll notice right away that mine is a little bit different than yours might look if it's factory. I have a compound turbo setup in here. So normally you'll find this battery in this corner with your def fill up, and your coolant tank will be right about here, I believe. So this is actually going to be a lot easier for me on my end. Here's where the bulb slot is. Let's see if I can get this thing out of here. Okay, so here's your factory headlight bulb. Like I said, you just want to unclip that clip, pull it out of this hole, and you'll see it's a 9012 size bulb. So that's literally it for that side. This side is gonna be the same type of deal. So you're gonna want to twist it like a quarter turn. I think that was counterclockwise, normal. Here's the other bulb. Take that clip off. And here's your other bulb right here. So let me grab the new ones. Here are the new bulbs next to the old ones. I'll put a link for these in the description. Now we just have to go ahead and plug that same wire that was plugged into there into here. Give it the same quarter turn on both sides. And we're literally done already. I thought this was going to take a lot longer than it did. So, start off putting it in there. Which way does it go? I think it goes like this. If you got big hands, this might be kind of a pain. And also finding the slot to put it in might be a pain too. But this is nothing compared to some headlights that I've done. It's usually a huge pain. This is hard to do with one hand, but it's for you guys. Come on. So make sure you hear this click, but it didn't click for me yet. There you go. You can hear the click. Perfect. Shove the wires back in here. Close this down. The other side, same thing. So I think I stuck it in like this. So you're looking at these 9012s with the top prong up. Okay, that one's in. Plug the wires in here. You could plug the wires in first, doesn't matter. You can see the clips here. I'm just gonna plug it in because it's hard with one hand. Oh, okay. You heard a click. Stuff that back in there. And that should be good. So, new bulbs are in. Uh-oh. Why don't they work? Well, that's interesting. Let me figure this out and get right back. Alright, I figured what was wrong, why the lights didn't turn on. If this happens to you, all you have to do is unplug the wire you plugged into the bulb, flip it around, and snap it back in. Apparently, I plugged in both of them backwards, so they didn't work. So let me show you them now. Let's try this again. The new LEDs. In person, they're bright white. That's what 6000K is the color associated to it. They kind of look kind of yellowish on the camera, but I can assure you they are very bright white, and they look way better than the old halogen bulbs. Alrighty, folks. Well, that's it for the LED bulb install. Next up, I'm going to do some LED fog lights to match the LED headlight bulbs. So make sure to subscribe. Like this video if you found any value in it. If you like me as a person, that would be awesome. I'm trying to grow my YouTube. 2021 is going to be a lot brighter than 2020. Hence the bulbs. I'm just kidding. Everybody have a great day, and we'll see you in the next one.